Hello everybody, Kirk here with Space Pickle Designs, and I'm back in Colorado Springs, and today I have an unboxing of the Sam's Bead box for December 2024, and it's called Winter Cabin. When this came, it says it on the outside of the box what it is, and even my husband was like, ooh, that sounds cool. So let's see what we have inside. First stranded item is an agate smooth round dyed brown mix 6mm 14.5-inch strand. Yep, this is a really good strand. You know me and gemstones, I do love a good gemstone. These are really nice. There's a little bit of dimpling, but it's all smooth, so it's just the natural variations of the stone. And look at this one. This one, I like it. It looks like a little cataract in the agate itself, which sounds not good, but I like it. Yep. So I love these. These are a check glass, a table cut rectangle, amber topaz Picasso, 8x12mm and a 9-piece strand. And it looks like there's just like different levels of coating on some of these. So you get like a good combination. There's a little bit of a variation on these. See, these have a lighter coating, and then these have that true like deep travertine coating to them. Those are really pretty. I love these so much. This is a check glass druck, and this is a smoky topaz AB 4mm, and there's 50 pieces on this strand, and this really does give a labradorite feel without it actually being labradorite. So it is just so beautiful. I am in love with this combination with that AB on there. Normally, like with drucks, I can take or leave the AB coating, but this color, it really, and the size I think lends well to it looking a lot like labradorite, which is, I have real labradorite on my bracelet right now, and as you can see, this is like almost prettier in a different way, right? And so that's just so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think this is the next strand. It says check glass fairy tale flower woods and frozen lake mix, 11mm, and there's 8 pieces. So yeah, you get 2 tones on this strand, and I'm loving that they're doing the 2-tone strands. It just is like, it's curated, but it also gives you a little bit of variety, and I love it. And I love the little copper wash on these. It's really, really pretty. This one's really pretty. This is aquamarine freeform rectangle, 8 to 9 by 11 to 13mm, and there's 8 pieces on these. And look at I got a really cool centerpiece here. There's obviously variations because it's a stone, but I really do like them. I like that it's like not so blocky. It really does, like that free form, so to speak, triangle really gives like a nice little like outdoorsy organic feel. I swear Sam's Bead Box and Sam's Bead Shop always has like these really unique combinations of check glass colors, and this one I have not seen before. I don't know if it was custom to their shop, but this one is a fire polish rondelle smoke Montana blue mix, and it's a 3x5mm 40 piece strand. And I just want to kind of like highlight the color. Do you see the variations of color on that? It is just so beautiful. I'm really loving everything in this box so far. It's really giving like the outdoor but like cold and chilly frosty vibes without it being overly winter. I really do like that. So I think this is the Iolite Pebble Nugget grade AB mostly, 8x12mm, and it's a 7.5-inch strand. And I feel like this strand is longer, which is why it was throwing me off. Yeah, so this is like, I got like a 8.5. False advertising, you know what I mean? Just kidding. They gave me way more than what was advertised. So how can you be mad? But look at these, like, I don't know if I have any Iolite. I love these so much, and I don't know if you can see, some of these have like a sparkle to them. I'll have to look up the properties of Iolite to see if it has like, I don't even know, but there's definitely some like sparkle and flash in some of these. and they're just so pretty. I'm not a big chips fan, but I do like nuggets and pebbles. So these are right up my alley. I do love a chunkier gemstone chip, and this definitely fits the bill. I love this one so much. It's definitely like got blue tones to it, but it's really leaning mostly purple, which is just, it's just really good. It's really good, y'all. And some of the flashes in here, it's got like a coppery flash tone to it. Man, these are stunning. I love these. I'm so happy with those. Okay, my West Virginia accent is really going to struggle with this one, but this is a dumortierite gem cut coin, 10.5 millimeters, and there's 8 pieces here. And these are just precious. Look at this. They almost look like, a couple of them look like sodalite, like this two, but the patterns on them are just different. And so like this one right here, just really pretty. I do love the gem cut coins. They just give a lot of flash, especially to a gemstone that may not typically have flash. So I really do like those. We have a bunch of these check glass bicones. It's a jet black blue silk milk mix. Ooh, silk milk, that's gross. 6 millimeter, and there's 50 pieces here. I love, oh, look at this one. This one has like almost no jet in it. Oh, I love that. I love the variations on these, and putting them all together, it's just so nice. When they have variations in glass like this, I like them a little bit more than like the half and halves, because there's definitely a more like natural feel to it. So I really do like these. These are really cool. Really pretty blue. These are some sleeper beads right here. This is a check glass spacer rondelle royal blue silk, 3 millimeters, and there's 100 pieces here. And these are just like unsung heroes. I know when you look at it, it's just like, oh, just a tiny little bead, but they add so much to your project without having to add metals that could possibly tarnish. And so they look a little bit more interesting than seed beads as well. So I really like the addition of these little beads that they put in Sam's bead box. We have another mixed strand, and this is a check glass melon royal blue / gray silk milks mix. Why do I continue to say silk milk? Because that's really gross. I apologize to all of you out there listening, because that's really gross. But yes, let's go back to the beads. I love the cobalt. So it says royal blue, but it's really giving cobalt. And these ones right here, these are so cool. I don't think I would put them on the strand together like this. Like I'll probably separate them out and use them. But I really love the gray ones especially. It's giving like a little bit vintage vibes with the swirly patterns. I love those. So cute. These are stunning. This is check glass marquee oval blue silk gilded bronze. Are we seeing the perfection that are these beads? The coating on this is like oil slick in the best way possible. And they are very marquee shaped, very long and thin, elongated. Those are very pretty. This is the first bead that I have in this shape, and this is the check glass 2-hole maple leaf, amber topaz gold. And look, these are really cool. They have that like iconic looking maple leaf front to them, and then on the back you can see there's 2 channels for stringing. So that's going to be really cool, and you can keep these flat in a design. I can't wait to use these. These are really unique. I've never seen these. I wonder if it's a new shape or if I'm just tripping, but these are really cool. And I love topaz. It's one of my favorite glass colors. We have another leaf shape, and this is check glass dappled leaf, crystal gold, and brown topaz. And ooh, I love the crystal ones. Those are so pretty. We get 3 of the topaz or brown topaz gold, and we get 7 of the crystal. It's like an odd split, but hey, I'll take it. I like these a lot though. This is just like such a fresh take. I've been saying this with Sam's Bead Box for a couple months now, but they have some like really fresh takes on like themes. Because normally you would see the icy blues, this, that, and the other, right, for this time of year. Or even in the New Year colors, like the blacks and the silvers and the sparkly crystals and all that. And yeah, this is just a little bit different. It's got more of a woodsy feel to it with all the leaf shapes, but not only that, but the colors as well. And so I'm enjoying it. Look at these. We have 2 check glass cats in charcoal gray silver. And look at these little buddies. So they're 2-sided. It's got this little back, little front. They're so cute. I have a couple of check glass cats, but I've not used them in a design yet, I don't think. We'll have to get on that this month. This is a 2-in-1. We have a check glass long geo oval, brown topaz with a 4-piece set, and then a check glass wildflower coin, Montana blue bronze, 18mm. And look at this Montana blue bronze. There's like, what, 3 or 4, yeah, there's 3 different types of metal tones in here. We've got bronze, we've got copper and gold, but they're all working pretty well together, especially when you're using that common color in the Montana. And then we have some classic looking geo ovals in this brown topaz. I'm loving the brown topaz. It's just darker than what I'm used to for topaz. Obviously, it's a brown topaz, not just topaz, but very pretty. We have a fire polish mix, and this is all 8mm, and it's a winter mix, and there's about 30 pieces. And I'm telling you, this is basically bringing the whole box together. It's got all the colors throughout in one place, except for maybe gold. But we have a copper lined clear. We have like a periwinkle icy blue here. We have like an iris coating on one of them. We have the brown topaz color, and it's just really gorgeous. There's like an oil slick feel that brings in some of those other check glass that we got in here, and just bringing in that pop of like periwinkle blue is really pretty. Look at us getting some check glass nuggets in a pearl. So it looks like a pearl, and we've got some snow white in a smaller size and some royal blue in a larger size, and then we got 6 and 4 pieces each, and look at them. So pretty. So very pearl. And this cream color, it says snow white, but it's definitely like not a true white. If you can see the stringing material, it's like a cream. And so if your snow looks like that, probably don't eat it, because it's probably, there's something in there, you know. But this, going along with this whole box, is like really beautiful. Putting some of those leaves beside it, it's got that same tone. So this is a very beautiful little curation, and just bringing a little bit of a different finish, like a little pearl finish in there. We've got so many different types of finishes in this box. We just, you know, a little touch of pearl never hurt anybody. We have a metals bag as our last little bit here, and this is, we have 1 piece, and it's an open teardrop. And this is a little unique because the stringing material is like crossways like that. Ooh, so we'll have to find something to put in there. I almost want to put like a little Christmas tree in there right now just because of the season, but I gotta put something with the box. We then have these cobblestone charms. Oh my goodness, I love these. These are so cool. I'm sorry, I'm definitely gonna have to make some earrings with these because I want them hanging from my ears. It's just, you know, I just want to be basic with these. And then we have a bunch of these hammer-tone semicircle links. Oh, so they got 2 holes in there. So definitely a link, but it's a different type of shape for it to be a link. So excited to play with these. And so what I'm gonna do after I get off this video is organize them all in my little organizers, and I can't wait to get started. All right, y'all, look at her. Look how cute. Are we feeling winter cabin with this one? Because I think I am. I think I really, really am. Let me see. What are my favorite pieces? I think I'm really, really loving, from my metals, I'm loving these charms. From beads, I'm actually really loving the nuggets because they're so cool when you look up close to them. But I also really love these drucks. Oh, I love those so much. And I cannot wait to play with this bead mix here. I love an 8mm fire polish. 8 and 10mm fire polish are one of my favorites. And so I love that we got a mix with all 8mm. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to do a little bit of wire working with that. Maybe do a little bracelet like this, but in a different style. And yeah, so let me know what you thought about this bead box down below. Now, in the history of me getting Sam's bead boxes, which has been a few years now, I've always thought the quality and the price was amazing for what you get. But for a couple of months there, I was like a little bit uninspired by some of the themes, but they're bringing it right back around. So the past, like, what, 6 months probably, they've all been bangers. So, I mean, they've also been working with designers too. So maybe that like fresh perspective helps a little bit. But for all it's worth, man, this is just a really, really beautiful, beautiful box, and I can't wait to get started. So let me know down in the comments, as always, what you would like to see me make with this box. What element do you find challenging? And we can pick it out and try to work on it together. But I hope you're enjoying Beadmas. I think we're on day, what, 13 now? So it's been a wild ride, y'all. I'm pretty proud I've kept up with it. But if you have missed any of the Beadmas videos, just go to my channel and look at my recent uploads, and you will see that I have 12 up until now Beadmas videos. So go on there, give them a like if you don't mind, or dislike them if you don't like them. And I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you're staying safe and well. Bye-bye.